Do you know what's happening on your floor right now? It's one thing to read reports to find out what happened yesterday. It's another to know what's happening to the minute. If you had access to real-time data and knew exactly how your shop floor was performing, the jobs that are being run, scheduled coil changes, machine line speed, or unscheduled delays, would knowing all of this as it happened help you be more efficient? Introducing Eclipse Pro production management software. With Eclipse Pro, you can eliminate mistakes, increase production capacity, and achieve improved visibility into the manufacturing process. Eclipse Pro combines the ease and accessibility of the internet with the strength of real-time data to help manufacturers like you accomplish more in less time. Eclipse Pro does the monitoring, scheduling, and reporting for you, so you can spend less time on administrative tasks and more time on revenue-generating operations. Check out Eclipse Pro's intuitive dashboards with an at-a-glance view of the current production status of your shop floor. Easily drill down to specific lines by clicking on a machine tile to access an expanded view with additional details such as shift information, scrap and downtime details, speed, yield, and runtime. We know how important your production schedule is to you, and we have the tools you need to keep your operation running smoothly. Use the drag and drop scheduling to optimize your production and watch the calendar automatically update. Live timeline views show up to the minute changes that happen throughout the day. Now you have the most up-to-date view of your production with all the coil changes, scheduled and unscheduled breaks, estimated production time per job, and even changeovers. We know you have a lot on your plate. That's why Eclipse Pro has intelligent alerts that let you know of issues before they become major problems. From coil delivery delays to schedule slips, Eclipse Pro is your virtual assistant, keeping a finger on the pulse of your shop floor. If you like analytics, you're going to love Eclipse Pro's Production Summary and Explorers. Whether you're analyzing OEE, good production, downtime, or scrap, we've got you covered. Eclipse Pro's Explorers put the data front and center, visualized right in front of you. Need to drill down? No problem, just click. Okay, let's recap. Eclipse Pro is your virtual assistant that helps you visualize your shop floor in real time. If you're looking for a solution with a real-time dashboard, easy drag-and-drop scheduling, and robust analytics with drill-down reporting, Eclipse Pro has you covered. Give us a call today.